Now, class 12 students, chapter name is electrochemistry and topic electrolysis and electrolytic cell. Now, in part 1 video of this topic, we have learnt what is electrolysis, what is the mechanism of electrolysis, right? Now, this is a part 2 video of electrolysis. Now, topic is quantitative aspect of electrolysis, right? So in this topic, Michael Faraday law of electrolysis is there, right? So we will study what are the laws of electrolysis. So there are two laws. First law of electrolysis. According to first law of electrolysis, suppose the amount of chemical reaction, the mass of any substance, okay, the mass of any substance which deposited or liberated at any electrode through the electrolyte. Suppose this is an electrode and this electrode is dipped in a electrolyte, okay. So when we pass the electricity, the amount of deposited or liberated at any electrode is directly proportional to the Q. So W is the mass and Q is the quantity of electricity. So mathematical relation is W is directly proportional to Q. Okay, so see this. First law, and this topic has a great significance in numericals. Okay, first law of Faraday law. Faraday. This is known as Faraday law of electrolysis. Faraday law of electrolysis. Now, first law. This is a topic. What is first law? So as I told you just now, the amount of chemical reaction, mass of any substance which is deposited. This is a, suppose, M. M is a W, okay. W is a mass of substance. Mass of substance deposited or liberated at any electrode. At any electrode. Now it is directly proportional to Q. Q stands for quantity of electricity. Quantity of electricity, okay, quantity of electricity. So W is equal to, change, remove this, so W is equal to ZQ, okay. And what is Z? Z stands for electrochemical equivalent. Electrochemical equivalent. Equivalent. What is this? Now we know that Q is equal to I2. I into T. I is current. T is a time in second. Current in ampere. Charge unit is coulomb. So here W is equal to Z into I into T. This is a mathematical equation for Faraday first law. Now if we pass current 1 ampere and time for 1 second, so put this value, so this will be Z, means this is our electrochemical equivalent. Z is electrochemical equivalent, so mass of substance, right? The electrochemical equivalent substance means mass of substance deposited when current passed for 1 ampere for 1 second. In that situation, W becomes equal to the Z electrochemical equivalent. So this is the concept of electrochemical. Children, this formula will help you in evaluating numerical problems. Okay, numerical point of view, this formula is very important. Okay, if you know the formula, numerical will become very easy. So this is first law. Now we will be moving on towards the numerical based on first law. So first law, okay, numerical based on first law. So children, see this. If we take up number 1, suppose there is a numerical based on this. How many moles of mercury, question is here, how many moles of mercury nitrate? Okay, here's the question, how many moles of mercury will produced? How many moles of mercury will produce from mercuric nitrate, right? Produce from electrolysis, yeah, by electrolysis 1 mole mercuric nitrate. Okay, so by electrolysis 1 mole solution with a current of 2 ampere for time is we can write for 3 hours, 2 ampere for 3 hours. This is a numerical. So mercury nitrate, suppose very simple, we have to calculate the here moles. All right, we have to calculate the moles. One molecule, 1 mole, right? So mercuric nitrate first dissociate. Mercuric nitrate will dissociate like this, Hg2 plus 2NO3 negative. Okay, this is a formula. So first we will calculate quantity of electricity passed. Q is equal to IT. So what is the value of I? I is at 2 ampere. Time it is given 3 hours. So 3 hours convert into the 60 into minute. Okay, 60 into 60. So 6 is the 36. So this will become 2 3 is 6 6 tutor 2160 coulomb. Okay, so this value will come 216 120 to write 20. This is a Q value. It is a charge. We have got it. Now here is the equation. Mercury, how many moles of Hg will reduce? It will take up 2 electron and it will turn neutral solid. Okay, Hg. So 1 mole electron is equal to 1 Faraday. 2 mole electron is equal to 2 Faraday. और mercury normally जो mercury molecular mass is what, right? So here we see coulomb 2 Faraday gives, we have to calculate the mole. So 2 Faraday, clear? So and the charge is 216. This is a point. So point here 2 Faraday means 296500 coulomb contains 1 mole of Hg. Okay, 1 mole of Hg. So 1 coulomb will contain, so 1 upon, here will be the sign, 1 upon 2 into 96500 coulomb. So how many charge is here? 21600 coulomb fill. So multiplied by this 2 into 96500 into 21600. Now calculate. So simple mathematics is involved, and whatever the value will come, okay, that will be the answer. Okay, so evaluate. This problem is very easy, or we can, this is a unity method we have used, or we can use directly formula, right? See, so this W is equal to mZIT. So this is a unity method now. So calculate it. So the value will come, mathematical value, it will come approx 0 point something, 0.112 mole, whatever the value is, this is the answer. So this is a numerical, is very important, right? So this is a problem first law. Okay, now we have studied the first law and the what is second law. Clear? Now second law is it is also the and see the what is second law. So Faraday second law. Now we are seeing Faraday second law. So it is also very good important. Second law, mathematically it is very important. Second law of electrolysis. Okay, what is this? See, this is a when two cells are connected in series like this. Okay, this is electrode positive, it is connected with this. Okay, two electrode here. This is a, suppose if this is a cell, it is connected with this two cells, electrolyte, right? So point is here, this is positive or it is connected with the negative. Okay, it is negative, it is a positive connected with this. So this is a silver nitrate and it is copper sulfate, AgNO3 solution. Silver nitrate solution is electrolyte, copper sulfate is electrolyte, or whatever the electrode. They are connected in series. Now according to the second law, when the same quantity of electricity is passed through the solution of different, right? So here's a two cells, right? Solution of different electrolyte connected in series, right? So the masses of solution produced by at the electrode are directly proportional or to their equivalent weight, correct? So simple relation. Suppose this is a Ag, mass of Ag deposited, okay, divided by mass of copper deposited is equal to equivalent weight of Ag divided by equivalent weight of copper. So this is a mathematical relationship for this, right? And we also know second, this is very important, Z, equivalent weight. We can calculate, right? How we can calculate the equivalent weight? So equivalent weight of any substance is equal to atomic mass of element. According, this is formula I am telling according to this. Okay, so second law, atomic mass of element upon number of electron lost or gain or valency, whatever this is coming. So this is a, with the help of this formula we can calculate the atomic mass. Okay, equivalent weight. So equivalent weight Z, hey, this is a formula for equivalent weight. So Z is equal to equivalent weight upon 1 coulomb. Z is equal to equivalent weight of substance upon 96500 coulomb. Okay, so this is a electrochemical equivalent. Now equivalent weight W upon Q into, this is a formula. So this formula will help us in the numerical. Okay, so this is a second law of electrolysis. Now numerical based on second law we will discuss in next third part video. Okay, so this formula is really very important and numerical is also very important. In your NCERT there is a NCERT textbook. One in NCERT solved problem is also given, related given to the first law, and second law question number if we see 3.15 or 3.16. okay, practice these problems, they are based on these two laws. Okay, now children, see you, we will see you in next video. In next video we will study electrochemical cells. Okay, electrochemical cell. Okay children, see you, bye bye, thank you.